Nature Speaks. Enter a hidden natural world for a 2-part immersive experience, celebrating our relationship with trees and giving a voice to nature itself. Canopy, Lorna Reese Company. Explore the powerful relationship between humanity and our oldest neighbours, trees. Follow a woodland trail of design, storytelling, sound and music, featuring the voice of over 500 contributors. I Have No Name, El Conde de Torrefiel. This contemporary ritual gives voice to nature through an LED screen within the hidden landscape of Tump 53, a Thamesmead wildlife reserve. Nature Speaks. Tump 53, Thamesmead. 4th and 5th of September, 12:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Digital audio description and assisted routes. Free, just show up. Full access information on our website. To find out more, visit festival.org/GDIF-2026.